To hide photos on a Samsung S25, in my opinion, the only way to do this is to use Secure Folder. So right here we've got Secure Folder. If you didn't actually set it up, you have to go to the settings, click on search and input Secure Folder. There we go, you can find it in security and privacy. It's just right here, and all you have to do is just to basically turn it on and set it up. You have to set your lock screen and stuff like this. You have to just follow on-screen instructions, and when you do this, you will have to just open your Secure Folder. Now we can click here and select Add Files. Then select your images. You can select multiple images if you want. Click done, and you can move this or copy. So if you want to really hide it, you will have to move it. And there we go. And now you will be able to find it in your gallery. So when you open it, as you can see, it appears right here, but it's not anymore in this normal gallery. There we go. As you can see, I just move it. So that's how we can do this.